What would you like to eat? Stroppy.
Arthur, what do you want for dinner?
What would you like to eat? Cheese and bread?
No.
Spaghetti? Pasta? Vegetables? Fresh air? Pina colada? Vodka? Bacon and cheese wrap? Cereal? You want cereal?
Yeah.
You want breakfast for lunch?
Yeah.
You just want Tories, don't you? No. You can have your own. You can have your own cereal. You want cereal? Yeah. Okay.